Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. Is there a hospital nearby? Key phrase, nearby. This means close in distance. Hospital, or a place where sick or injured people receive medical treatment. 2. How do I get to the airport? Key phrase, get to. This means to travel to a place. Airport, a place where airplanes take off and land. 3. Can you help me carry this? Keyword, carry. This means to lift and transport something. 4. What do you like to do for fun? Key phrase, for fun. This refers to activities done for enjoyment or pleasure. 5. Do you know what time it is? Key phrase, what time? This is how you ask for the current time. 6. Let's play a game. Keyword, play. This means to engage in an activity for enjoyment. Game, a form of entertainment or activity with rules. 7. Where can I find a map? Keyword, map. A representation of an area showing locations and routes. 8. How do you say this in English? Key phrase, say this. This is how you ask someone to explain or pronounce something. 9. Are you coming to the party? Key phrase, coming to. This refers to attending an event or arriving at a place. Party, a social gathering with entertainment and refreshments. 10. I need to make a phone call. Keyword, make. This means to perform an action, like making a call. Phone call, a conversation held using a telephone. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow. A rhythm eternal, only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas are echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passion's laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea, bound by the rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. The music speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.